Applied Linguistics Group uploaded this video for BS English students. Dr. KHALID MALIK, the founder, has a PhD in Applied Linguistics TESOL. Having more than 25 research papers, he taught at many foreign universities and is now in a postdoctoral study program abroad. Join Applied Linguistics Group at youtube.com/@1966Pakistani or use a QR code to join our Facebook group at
Computational Phonetics and Phonology. What is computational phonology? Computational phonology is the study of the representation and manipulation of linguistic sounds using computational methods. It is a relatively new field of linguistics that has emerged from the intersection of linguistics and computer science. Computational phonology is concerned with the phonological structure of language, and the computational methods that can be used to analyze it. The goal of computational phonology is to develop models of phonological knowledge that can be used to generate and recognize speech. Some of the methods used in computational phonology include phonetic feature classification, phonemic segmentation, and phonotactic parsing. These methods are used to analyze the structure of sound patterns in a language and to develop models of how these patterns are produced and recognized by the brain. Computational phonology is a field of linguistics that uses computer science methods to study the representation and manipulation of linguistic sounds.
What is computational phonetics?
Computational phonetics is the study of how speech sounds are produced and perceived using computers. It includes the development of algorithms and software for analyzing and synthesizing speech, and the use of these tools to investigate the acoustic and articulatory properties of speech sounds.
The power of computational phonology. Computational phonology, as a tool for studying language structure and dynamics, is extremely powerful. It is possible to gain a better understanding of how words are combined, how sounds change over time, and how pronunciation changes in dialects as a result. What is computational phonology in NLP? Computational phonology is a subfield of linguistics that studies the representation and processing of speech sounds using formal methods of computation. It is concerned with the development of algorithms and software tools for automatic speech recognition and synthesis, as well as with the application of these techniques to problems in phonology, such as the modeling of phonological patterns and the analysis of phonological data. Computational phonology's theoretical and technological framework is used in this migration. Phonological analysis requires specialized data structures and algorithms, which are the only elements of the models developed. The digitization of this documentation and description allows for the integration of all media types into a single document, navigation of cross-links, and a variety of new possibilities for management, access, and preservation. To perform phonology analysis, a formal model must first be tested against data, and it must then be compared with other models. A computational approach is used in this exploration and analysis, which includes sorting, searching, tabulating, testing, and comparing. A lexicon update may be required if a new word is discovered in a text. As new insights are discovered, the loop may be closed by making new annotations or elicitations. Speech recognition is made up of neural networks, information theory, and weighted automata. The neural network trained by Gasser was able to recognize SYL, lables, and repair syllables that had been damaged. Using information theory's MDL, minimum description length (E2) technique, Ellison demonstrated how it could be used to automatically identify syllable boundaries in phonetically transcribed texts. The goal of this paper is to demonstrate how to improve Korean standard pronunciation using the transformation-based learning (TBL) method. Phonological rules govern phonological generation. Rewriting the rule ordering or the finite state transducer were used in the SPE-style operations on computational phonology. Based on phonological rules, some researchers have attempted to develop a pronunciation generation. The goal of this paper is to automate the assimilation rules for the Arabic language. The artificial neural network (ANN) approach, among other computational approaches, is used in the paper. It is an important tool for linguistic researchers to eliminate typed feature structures. Because many Altaic languages make significant grammatical changes, the distribution of vowel sounds varies. When a word has two syllables that are round, the roundness is caused by abisyllabic trigger, Zhong 1996. The paper looks at classical Manchu and Orokon's round harmony. According to this paper, the binary threshold derives from conflict between phonological demands. Numeric reference is neither necessary nor desirable. Computational phonology has recently emerged as a promising field of computational linguistics. The goal of this book is to use constraints in modern phonology to better understand the process of nonlinear phonology. This paper's goals are to investigate constraints-based grammar and constraint logic. In this study, evidence is presented that all restrictions on the relative application of grammatical rules are determined by universal principles rather than language-specific ones. Is computational linguistics same as NLP? The main goal of computational linguistics is the creation of computational tools that perform useful tasks with language, such as machine translation, summarization, question answering, and so on. What is linguistics in NLP? Linguistic, computer science, and artificial intelligence are all fields that deal with the interactions between computers and human language, with the primary goal of programming computers to analyze and process large amounts of natural language data. What is the meaning of computational linguistics? Computational linguistics is the scientific and engineering field that studies written and spoken language through a computational lens, as well as creating artifacts that enable language processing and production. Computational linguistics, which focuses on natural language, can be thought of as a branch of linguistics and computer science. This is a relatively young scientific field that developed as a result of the integration of theoretical linguistics, mathematics, artificial intelligence, and software engineering. An engineer and technology phase can be found in two distinct but clearly related directions. Computational linguistics, CL, seeks to automate linguistic tasks as well as human-computer interactions. In terms of engineering, natural language processing, NLP, has grown to become a major area of research and development in the field. Human perception attempts to comprehend the processes through which humans learn and represent these systems. Shalom Lapin is Professor of Computational Linguistics in the Department of Philosophy at King's College London, and its Faculty of Arts and Sciences. He was elected as a Fellow of the British Academy in 2010. The Academy's language program aims to provide a diverse range of perspectives on languages. Interdisciplinary research is carried out at the University of Colorado at Boulder through the CL program. Computational linguistics is a branch of philosophy that combines linguistics and computer science with the application of logic and psychology. Computers simplify the treatment of language issues by allowing them to be handled more quickly. Machine learning and deep learning techniques, on the other hand, play an important role in natural language processing. Despite their distinct goals, these fields are complementary and collaborate to better understand language. What is the purpose of computational linguistics? It aims to develop systems that enable human-computer interaction, as well as to automate a wide range of practical linguistic tasks. Machine translation, text summarization, speech recognition and generation, information extraction and retrieval, and sentiment analysis are all examples of these tasks. What do you study in computational linguistics? Computational linguistics is concerned with how human language can be processed and interpreted automatically. The area of natural language research focuses on the mathematical and logical characteristics of natural language, as well as algorithms and statistical processes for automatic language processing. What is Introduction to Computational Linguistics? From a computational linguistics perspective, it is a scientific study of language. Computational linguists try to create computational models of various types of linguistic phenomena. Knowledge-based models, handcrafted or data-driven, and data-driven models, statistical or empirical, are two examples of them. What do we study in computational linguistics? Computational linguistics is the study of how to create computer programs that can understand human language. This can involve teaching computers to read and write in different languages, to understand the meaning of text, or to translate between languages. Researchers in this field also develop new ways to process and analyze language data, and create models of language that can be used in artificial intelligence applications. Computational linguistics, CL, is a branch of computer science that studies and comprehends written and spoken language. Language-speaking computers make it easier to interact with machines and software. Linguists with computational backgrounds work in universities, government research labs, and large corporations. To build artifacts, data scientists must analyze large amounts of written and spoken language. CL first appeared when a linguist attempted to translate Russian text into English. Computational linguistics has been around since the 1950s, and it has evolved into a wide range of approaches and methods. A shift toward statistical methods arose in the late 1980s as computing power expanded. A large portion of modern CL is based on the same NLP tools and processes. GPT-3 has over 175 billion machine learning parameters, making it one of the most extensive models on the market. The OpenAI program, which was released in 2020, was created by combining internet data and trained to generate any type of text. Two rapidly growing fields are combining forces to create even more powerful tools and applications: computational linguistics and data science. Speech recognition, such as Siri, and speech synthesis can all be built, as can machine translation, grammar checking, text mining, and other forms of computational linguistics. Data science encompasses a wide range of systems, including basic programming, math, and statistics from computational linguistics, but it also encompasses a wide range of fields such as data engineering, machine learning, and business analytics. The two fields are rapidly expanding and bringing together even more powerful tools and applications. Those interested in becoming a computational linguist or data scientist should thoroughly examine these fields. The benefits of a career in computational linguistics. As a result, if you're interested in using your logical and analytical skills to assist people in communicating more easily, computational linguistics might be a good fit for you. You are guaranteed to find the right job in this field no matter where you are in your career. For further details, contact Applied Linguistics Group.
Applied Linguistics Group uploaded this video for BS English students. Dr. KHALID MALIK, the founder, has a PhD in Applied Linguistics TESOL. Having more than 25 research papers, he taught at many foreign universities and is now in a postdoctoral study program abroad. Join Applied Linguistics Group at youtube.com/@1966Pakistani or use a QR code to join our Facebook group at